problem with this stove now, Zubin?
The can is too short and there's too much fuel in it, courtesy of you, that the fire is becoming so big that it's actually coming out of the air vents.
Oh, the air is going in on top.
Yeah.
Flames coming out of the bottom,
Which is actually kind of cool.
which is interesting. I thought they were pretty short.
You know why?
Oh, you know what? This is not clean. It's not as clean.
What?
It's not as clean because look at the black soot on the can.
Oh, I didn't rinse them out.
Oh shit! I don't want the handle to get damaged.
Yeah, you wanna? Oh, jeez.
Here's the actual flame.
Yeah.
Is it out?
Oh, there we go.
That's better. That's more like
Why
it.
did it die down so much?
Oh, it's out of fuel, maybe.
Burnt out
Still burning?
Yeah, it's coming out of. Oh no, the vents.
Slowly, yeah, flow down out.
Whoa.
Why is it floating?
Why is there low on fuel?
Put it back. Put it back. Okay, let it burn. Let it boil.